Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet's collar? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to revolutionize how you keep track of your most important items. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's incredible precision-finding technology, powered by ultra-wideband. Imagine getting exact directions to your lost item, down to the foot, right on your iPhone. No more guessing games in the couch cushions. Setting these up is unbelievably simple. Literally one tap with your iPhone, and you're instantly good to go. It seamlessly integrates into your existing Apple ecosystem, making it a perfect gift or essential purchase for any iPhone user. Worried about splashes or dust? AirTag boasts an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, meaning it can handle life's little accidents without missing a beat. Whether you're tracking luggage, a backpack, or even a child's toy, the AirTag provides peace of mind that's truly invaluable. If you're ready to say goodbye to lost items forever, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon using the link in our description below. This 4-pack offers incredible value, ensuring you have an AirTag for all your essentials. A smart investment for everyday convenience. So if you're searching for the best Bluetooth tracker in 2025, the Apple AirTag is undoubtedly the top choice to keep everything important right where it belongs.